Mr. Frank and the tricky telephone. Mr. Frank loved his telephone. It was a little box of wonders. With a ring-a-ling, it brought the voices of his friends and family right into his cozy living room. It was perfect for sharing stories and happy news. One sunny afternoon, the phone rang. "Hello," said Mr. Frank cheerfully. But the voice on the other end wasn't a friend. It was a very serious, rushed voice. "This is the Big Money Bank," the voice said. "There's a problem with your account." Mr. Frank felt a little worried. "A problem?" he asked. "Yes, a big problem," the voice insisted. "To fix it, you must go to the store right now and buy 5 special safety gift cards. It's the only way to protect your money." Mr. Frank paused. Gift cards? That sounded odd. His granddaughter Lily had taught him a simple rule. "Grandpa," she'd said, "real helpers never ask for secrets or strange payments like gift cards. That's not how they work." He also remembered another tricky call. A voice had said, "We're from the computer company. We need to get inside your computer to fix a virus." They wanted him to press special buttons and let them take control. Mr. Frank smiled. He understood the game now. Real banks, real government offices, and real computer helpers would never, ever call and demand money, gift cards, or secret access to his computer. They just don't do business that way. So what did Mr. Frank do about the serious voice on the phone? He did the smartest, safest, and simplest thing in the world. Click. He put the phone right back on its base. The tricky voice was gone. "Now," he said to himself, "I'll do it the right way." He found the phone number for his bank on his official bank statement, a number he knew was real. He picked up the phone and dialed it himself. A friendly voice answered. "Hello, Big Money Bank. How can I help you?" Mr. Frank explained the strange call. The real bank teller chuckled. "Oh, Mr. Frank, you did the right thing. Your account is perfectly safe. That was a tricky caller. We're so glad you hung up." From that day on, Mr. Frank felt like the captain of his telephone. If a call ever felt strange or rushed, he knew just what to do. Hang up and call back using a number he could trust. Simple, safe, and smart.